Hi guys, welcome back to MK Sportscars here. Well, the CUP400 video that landed, well, we got so much feedback on it, and thanks for all your feedback and your comments going, send us a single lap, we want to see how that car goes, etc. So, what's Finny done? She's done it for you. So, what's coming up next is the CUP400 on a single lap to give you what we did, sort of our bestish lap on the day. But bear in mind, it's a damp track, conditions weren't great, it's about 137. We know this car we're trying to dip into the late 120s into the 130 dead sort of section. That's where the Turbo 400 should be capable of getting to. So, well, sit down, grab a cuppa or your favourite tipple, enjoy the lap, guys, and we'll catch you on the next video.